I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and today I'll walk you through how to install the HDX audio bar horizontally on a wall. Each HDX audio bar comes with a mounting bracket and a cardboard template designed to help you determine the final installation position. For more information on the required tools for installation, refer to the HDX user guide. For optimal audio performance, mount the audio bar at or above head level. This positioning directs sound towards the listeners and improves microphone pickup across the room. Audio bars should be generally installed between 3 feet or 0.9 meters and 12 feet or 3.7 meters from the door. When wall mounting, be sure to keep the audio bar at least 1 foot or 30 centimeters away from corners or adjacent walls to prevent performance issues. If a corner installation is required, refer to the Visa mounting installation video for proper guidance. When viewed vertically, the speakers are located on the lower half of the audio bar near the Nureva logo. When installing the audio bars horizontally, make sure the Nureva logos are positioned at opposite ends away from each other. This orientation ensures the best possible speaker dispersion throughout the room. On the back of the audio bar, you'll see the mounting squares with a V-shaped cutout, pre-attached and ready for vertical installation. These must be removed with a screwdriver, rotated for horizontal placement and then reinstalled. Make sure the V cutout is facing the floor. Once you've chosen a location, use the provided template to determine where to install your wall mounting bracket. Place the mounting bracket into the template and hold the template on the wall where you would like to install the audio bar. Trace the two center-aligned oblong holes in the mounting bracket to mark the wall. Remove the template, drill the holes and insert the wall anchors. Ensure the mounting bracket is level and securely fasten the screws in place. Next, determine how you will run the Ethernet cable. For a clean look, you can route the cable so it comes through the center opening of the mounting bracket. This helps you hide the cable once the audio bar is installed. Alternatively, the cable can be run along the wall and connected between the bracket and the audio bar. In either case, be sure to plug the Ethernet cable into the back of the audio bar before mounting it on the wall. For additional security, you can attach a wire or tether through the small hole in the metal frame. Now, holding the audio bar with two hands, align the mounting squares above the mounting pegs and then slide the audio bar down until it clicks securely into place. For cleaner cable management, you can tuck the cable behind the audio bar. Your audio bar is now securely mounted. Just connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to one of the HDX audio input ports on the system hub. To explore all the features of your Nureva HDX system, be sure to check our user guide.